Joe Beer Master, the Car Master. Today we have a 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruze. The bumper was hit, so we just want to replace the middle section and some of them lights, but unfortunately you have to take the whole bumper off. And what you have to do is, you can see there's studs here, stud holes, and then there's bolts that go through there, so you get them from the back side of this. Right there, there's a screw on the left and right side that holds the pad. There were two screws behind the license plate, and then the rest was taking the wheel arch off and then disconnecting all the bolts in the liner, and then pull. There's one up in here too, I think. And then we had to pull everything off of there, including taking the tail lights out. So once we got that off, it came out. It's got these long pins here to kind of help support it. And then we disconnected the wiring harness right here, which is on the driver's side, connected right there, disconnected that. So unfortunately, you have to take 3 studs off both sides, the 2 on the pad, the one's behind the license plate, disconnect the sides and the tail light, and then pull everything off. All right, the tail lights out there, 2 10mm right there. They were right there, so you take the 10mm out and you slide the light out. So that's how it's done to get that bumper bar off, to replace a part of it or the whole. So we're only replacing the middle parts there and the molding. Joe Beer Master, the Car Master. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. It all helps. Take care.